this is vacuum cleaners. You know, people have been asking me on YouTube videos about Minecraft and stuff like that. No, Minecraft cleaners. The vacuum cleaners, you know how some vacuum cleaners are sucky and some vacuum cleaners are not. Well, I don't want to talk about that, but right now we just want to talk about this vacuum cleaner. It's the Shark. If you can see, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good deal because it never loses suction, and it has a pretty good navigator and stuff, but it's very heavy. So if you can look on the internet, vacuum cleaners, Shark and stuff, you can look at the and everything. So this is the suction pretty much. This is the high top and everything. So you could like touch the vacuum and stuff. And so yeah, pretty much connected and everything. So yeah, pretty much the vacuum cleaner. This is the Shark brand and everything. That's just whatever. And we also they have good deals on this thing. You get about like $134 or something, but we got it at the warehouse and everything. So yeah, pretty much this is what I want to show you. And also they have bare floor. They have bare floor and brush on. The brush roll on is right here. You could go off barefoot. That's for like the floor and everything. You got like all that dirty stuff on the floor. You just put bare floor and then just brush the bare floor. Brush roll on is for the carpet and everything. So yeah, so pretty much I just wanted to show you this and everything. Remember, it's the Shark. It's called the Shark. So it never loses suction. Never lost of suctions and stuff. It has high ends and